This is the trend review for Wednesday, the 6th of December 2023. Much better day than yesterday. I took a single trade on Nvidia. I had to wait a long time. I actually missed out the first entry, but it looked a little bit too much like open auction, the open price. So I didn't go in. I decided to wait, but it was a bad decision because the price actually looked weak, and I should have made an entry here. Because it resulted in a trending day, which means that a reversal is less likely to happen. So when I had the opportunity to enter, I missed it, and it's really hard to make an entry on this day. I did see some profit taking at around 10:26. It was a nice hammer after a big drop. So I decided to go in. I didn't want to get in, but I forced myself to take the trade, and it actually offered me a lot. I was expecting it to go back because the price action wasn't dropping very fast. The price wasn't dropping fast enough. So I thought that maybe we will trade inside, but I guess not. So I took a partial at 3 to 1, which was a bit passive, but it's fine because once I saw this signal, I got scared. I knew that this was going to be a continuation. So I waited. We pushed a little higher. I was waiting for another push to 466.80 for another profit partial, but it engulfed the previous candle. It tried to push higher than the previous day close and back into range, but it rejected viciously, and that's when I decided to get out. And it could have been a nice area of entry short. As you can see, the price actually dropped all the way down to S4 and lower, but that's aftermarket. So it could have been a nice trade short if I was using yesterday's range as a place of entry. This is a nice signal, but I wasn't thinking about shorting at S2. It's too dangerous. So I avoided a short there, even though it was a nice area to do it. And so yeah, it seems like the Camarilla pivots without pre-market data were better. But anyways, that's the only trade I took. I think I did well in that aspect. Such a shame that I missed out on the early trade. Mm. I had a good read of the price action and respected my profit taking. So today I did meet goal, one trade, but there was no more trades to take. 1.3, no, 2.3. It's 2.3, and today we follow the rules. So it was very interesting in Nvidia because we had an inside day for sure. We had a wild move yesterday. We will actually probably squeeze some people out, or the profit taking squeeze some people out, and then today we just completely invalidated yesterday's push. So on the daily is very interesting. I think we're gonna continue down on Nvidia until we start hitting those important levels where people might take profit. But it was a nice example of a trending day where the open actually was a top edge. I failed to take the trade here, but that's okay. I took the craziest trade, which was a long on a day like this on Nvidia, but it worked out at the end. Again, I'm happy that I forced my entry, which is what I'm practicing right now. So that's it for my trading review.